Hi all, welcome to Makenow Academy. Today we are going to see some of the SQL real-time scenarios. So I have a data. So this is a data related to the students who joined few courses. Okay. So in this data we have the people who joined data science, web development, data analysis, and different courses. We have the name, gender, age, height, weight, and we have the date of joining and date of birth, and also the fees. So now with this data, we just wanted to find out something related to total revenue or total sales year wise. So the name itself is telling you that you need to find the data year wise. When you come across the scenario where you have different years, you need to use group by. Okay, and another point is that they are saying total sales or total revenue. You need to use aggregate function called sum. Okay, so the code is like select in DOG. We don't have separate year, so to extract the year, we use year function. Year of DOG help us to get the year from that particular column. Okay, as year, comma, then sum of sales, sum of fee. Okay, as sales from data, group by year of DOJ. Okay, so when I execute this, I'll get the total sales for the particular years. So in the 2022, we have 447 sales, and in 2021, we have 488 sales. Now I just wanted to show a little more deeper into that, like showing the month wise total sales. Okay, month wise and year wise. So I'll just copy the same code. Okay, now I just write total sales year wise, comma month wise. Okay, now I'll just copy the code. I'll just add month of, I need to extract the month, right? So I have month of DOJ as month. Okay, then sum of fees as sales, same code, comma month of DOJ. Okay, so group by, in group by I have added month, so I wanted to find year wise and month wise. So in the group by we have to highlight year and month wise. So let me execute the data and see the output. Okay, so you got an output that in the year 2022, you first month you have 20 sales. Now 2022 fourth month you have 95 sales. But the thing is that it is not in a proper order. So I just wanted to sort the data. To sort the data, I use order by. Okay, so order by year of DOJ, comma month of DOJ. Okay, let me execute this one and see the. So when I execute this and I have got the data in the year of 2021 in a ascending order, the data is sorted 2021 January 45 sales, 2022 2021 second month 35. So I am getting the data in an ascending order properly. Now you might have got that. Why should I do show the data like this? I can show the data in January, February also, right? So I'll just use another function called month name. Okay, another function called month name. Okay, using that I can get the data. So now where here I just wanted to write the date, total sales, year wise, month wise with month name. So it's quite simple. I'll just need to add month name of DOJ as month, or else you can here you can edit the previous one where you have month of that month name DOJ as month, comma. Okay, so I'll execute this and see the output. Okay, 2021 January I had 45 sales, 2021 February 35 sales, 2021 April 206. So it is highest one, and April. Okay, March 2022. So you can see the data which is sorted here, right? Now, in this particular data, I just wanted to show this particular sales in a different format, like this. For example, I just wanted to show 45.00. This is the way we show the data in a currency, right? So I'll just show you that how do we do that. So now I'll use format. So same data, I'll just copy. Okay, here in this data, I just wanted to implicate that on fee, right? So now I'll write format. We use format for that. Format. Okay, format sum of fee, comma 2. So I want two decimals. So I just execute this. So I'll get the output in this particular format. You can see, right? Okay. Now my client is from USA. So I just wanted to add a dollar symbol there. So let me add a dollar symbol to that. So what I'll do, I use concatenation, concat of, okay, dollar, comma, format. So when I do that, I'll get an output like this. So you can see the total sales year, month wise, year wise, like this. Is it clear, everyone? So now let us see the same data output with course wise total sales. So what I'll do, I'll just need to add course wise. So course wise, month wise, year wise. Okay. So let me copy the same data. Okay. Only thing is that I just need to add here course wise. Okay, course wise. So let me show you the output, and here also we need to display the column, right? So I'm writing course. So let me execute this and see the output. So Python course 2021 January, we had 45 sales. If you want to change the order of January to here and here, you can change it here in the particular way. So I'll just change that one also to be precise and clear. Okay, so I have changed it and executed it. So Python in the month of January 2021, the total sales is $45. Okay, so this is how we do find out the total sales. Now, the same thing, I just wanted to find out the number of sales. Number of sales means that the number of students joined or number of things in a particular year. So number of sales in a year. Okay, so to find the number of sales, we use count. So I just write it here. Same select. I need to extract the year. So I'm writing year of DOJ, comma, count of fee or anything you can take as total number of students or anything from data group by year of DOJ. And I wanted to sort the data, so I'll use order by year of DOJ. Okay, so let me execute this one. See the output. So in the year of 2021, we had 10 students. In the year of total in 2022, we had 10 students. So this is the way you get the output. Now you got a data number of sales in a year for every in a year. So you can do the same thing for month also. I'll just add here month. And so I have added month also, to be precise, 2021 January total. Wait a second. Okay, so there is a miscount. So here we missed a count. Okay, now it would be clear. Okay, so in the month of 2021 January, we had 1% join. Okay, so like that, I was able to find the number of students joined in a particular month. Total students or number of students, you can write number of, you can change the alias names, number of students for year as year. Okay, let me execute it again and show you. So number of students in the month of 2021 January 1, February 1, like this. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so this is a way of finding the data. Now the client is asking you to find out the number of sales or total sales every hour, total sales every. So how do you find out? So we need to use same scenario like select hour. We need to extract the hour, DOJ, comma, sum of fee as total sales, hour wise, sum of fee as sales from data, group by hour of DOJ, order by DOJ. Okay, so let me execute this. Done. So fourth hour 85 sales, fifth hour like this. So 18th hour 9 if you want. So we have the data already in hour wise. So now in this particular data, I just wanted to show you in AM PM notation. So how do I show you? Let me write the code. So we use date format. So select date format, of DOJ, comma, percentage, small h, p, okay, as hour, comma, sum of p as total. So this from data, group by date underscore format, DOJ, comma, p. So this data, this code will help me to get the right output where the data will be seen in AM PM. So you get that data 8 a.m., 6 a.m. we have 20 sales, 6 a.m. we have 120 sales, 1 p.m., 6 p.m. So you can understand at which time the sales are more. Okay, so that's all for today. So have a great day. Thank you and subscribe.